everybody, so today I am filming the look inspired by Cara Cunningham. Cara is an internet icon. I've been following her for ages. She just lost her grandmother Brenda, Mamaw, and I wanted to, potentially put a smile on her face. If there is any opportunity that I can do that for such an icon, I want to. Cara, if you see this, I hope you know how much we appreciate you and how much I live for you. So the hair and makeup are inspired by this photo here. I absolutely love this photo of Cara. I thought this was so beautiful and so kind. The hair is a vertical flat wrap technique. So you're curling the hair vertically to keep length in the hair and then flat wrapping it to make a nice concise curl and leaving the ends straight. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. It truly means more to me than I can ever put into words. Have a good day. Bye. Hi everybody. Okay, so P. Louise base on the eyes. I apologize for the fan on in the background. It's very hot in my room right now, so this is what you get. After the P. Louise base, we're going to go in with the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer to define the brow. For shadow today, we are using the e.l.f. Need It Nude palette and the NYX Ultimate Paradise Shock palette. So for the e.l.f. colors, we are using the 4th color in the palette and the 8th color in the palette, and you're just going to use those along the outer perimeter of the eye where I'm using it there, kind of in the crease and on the outer edge. This is just a light matte beige mixed with a medium tone matte brown. And then for the lid, I am going to be using the 2nd column, 2nd row color on the Ultimate Paradise Shock palette, and that is like a kind of champagne color, a shimmery champagne. And then I'm going to be using the 3rd column, 3rd row color, which is a shimmery gold. Over top of that, I used one of the e.l.f. multi-dimensional face and body shimmers in the color Luna. So I put that over top of the gold that I had on the inner corner, on the inner portion of the eyelid. For eyeliner, I'm using the Made by Mitchell liquid eyeliner in black, and then I'm using the Think Show Lashes magnetic eyeliner over top of that, and curling the lashes and doing mascara. This is just the Benefit They're Real magnetic mascara. And then I'm going to be using the Serenade magnetic lashes from Think Show Lashes. I think these might be coming to an end of their life cycle, because I've really fucking used these, you guys. I have worn them out. Like, one of the lashes is like fully missing a magnet, and I'm still wearing it. So we have those lashes. For skin, I'm going to be using, and actually, that's basically the eye. I didn't even do anything on the brow bone or anything. It's a very simple, elegant, timeless look, which is what Cara was rocking in the photo, of course. So I'll be going ahead and using the NYX Plump Right Back Serum and Primer. As well as for concealer, I'll be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer. And I used a foundation. I'm sorry, why did I say foundation? I was going to say foundation brush. I used a sponge on my forehead and chin, and then my finger under my eyes. For foundation, I used a foundation brush to kind of smear it all over my face and then pounce it in with a Real Technique sponge. The foundation I used was the L'Oreal True Match Lumi. And I used, I don't know, I think it's like 3 pumps or something. Someone asked how many pumps do you do of that, and I think it's 3. I do 1 pump on each cheek, 1 pump on my forehead and neck area, if I'm not mistaken. I have a very large face, so use whatever seems best for you. For contour, I'm using the e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour in the color Light Medium. And I'm using for blush the Made by Mitchell A Shy Boy Blursh. Someone said I'm going to look like a clown because of how much blush I have on, but I wanted to mention that this was liquid. So I'm going to be placing powder over top of it, both powder foundation and loose powder to set it. So that's why I put on so much liquid blush. A lot of the times people might find that scary, but that's just what I like. And then I'll go in and I'll actually re-intensify it with the Chic Glam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush after. I think I don't know if I mentioned this in my last video, but like this blush is one of my favorites I've ever used, honestly. The color is absolutely beautiful. I don't even know if you could still get it. I could check if you could still get it, but it's just a lovely blush, and it's almost like foolproof to use, which I really enjoy. Anyway, yes, it does look like you still can get it. The lightweight matte blush in Tangerine. So I'm going ahead and blending out that Halo Glow Contour from e.l.f. all over, and I will be going after using the MAC Studio Fix powder. I use the white color under my eyes, and then I use the skin color, which I believe is, which one is that? And NC15, maybe? So yeah, that's that. And I went ahead and set everything with the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder in the color Light all over my face. I start along the perimeter. If I'm doing under my eye, I start along the hairline and then fan the rest of it in so that the under eye doesn't get cakey. And then I go ahead and brush that all off with just a regular powder brush. Actually, I think I used the one that I have my powder foundation on. I use that to brush off the rest of it. So there you'll see me applying it along the hairline and then fanning it in under my eye to make sure that under my eye does not get like supremely cakey or anything like that. But I will set my whole face. After this, I will be using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega Bronze along the perimeter of my face. And I'll be using the Chic Glam Tangerine Lightweight Matte Blush for blush. For under eyes, I mean like for like shadow under the eyes, I actually didn't do anything. I just used a little bit of the Made by Mitchell All Smudge No Budge pencil in the color Make a Toast. And I just basically darkened along the lashes and then used that pencil on the outer inside rim of my eye. So only along the outer kind of half did I use that pencil. So darken the lashes and use it a little bit on the waterline. For lips, very, very simple. I was looking at this one video of Cara trying to decipher what lip color she is using. I think it could be Maybelline Loyalist Superstay Matte Ink. Could be. I don't know if this is for sure, but I think so. Could be wrong though. But anyway, using the Cream Shop and Hello Kitty Celebrate Setting and Priming Spray, and then I go ahead and use a fan after to make sure that that is no longer dripping and it's kind of setting everything in place. I actually didn't clean off the foundation over my lips as well too, to make sure that I got a more like true to color, lip color. And I saw in a video that Cara does not take her foundation off her lips when she applies lip. So there we go. The hair was super easy. Like I said, vertical curls with a flat wrap technique. I hope you guys have a great day. Oh, and leave the ends straight. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm just going to go ahead here and apply this wig real quick and get it all set because Cara has beautiful blonde locks. And I will be using a wig band by the Wig Boss to set that all down, and you'll see how laid that looks after the wig band. But yeah, it was very simple hair, just very like effortless, and you know, that's kind of the beauty that Cara is giving right now. It's like flawless without needing a lot of, you know, gizmos and gadgets. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.